In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find email address from LinkedIn profiles. This is a very simple process, and it only takes a few moments if the person has chosen to make that information visible on their profile. The important thing to keep in mind is that LinkedIn only shows contact details that a user has decided to share, so this method works when that information is publicly available to you through the profile itself. To begin, go to LinkedIn and use the search bar at the top of the page. In that search bar, type the name of the person you're trying to find. If you know their company, job title, or location, adding that information can help narrow down the results and make it easier to identify the correct profile, especially if the name is common. Once the search results appear, look through the list and select the person you want. Make sure you're opening the right profile by checking their profile photo, headline, current role, or other visible details. Taking a second to confirm this can save time and help you avoid looking at the wrong account. After you open their LinkedIn profile, go to the About section or About tab on their page. This area often contains extra information the user has chosen to share about themselves, and in some cases, it may also include contact details. If the person has decided to share their email address on LinkedIn, you'll be able to see it there. If you don't see an email listed, that usually means they have not made it available on their profile, or it may be restricted based on their privacy settings or connection level. A helpful tip here is to be respectful when using any contact information you find. If someone has shared their email publicly, it's still a good idea to contact them professionally and clearly explain why you're reaching out, and that's really all there is to it. Search for the person using the LinkedIn search bar, open the correct profile from the results, go to the About section, and check whether an email address is listed. If it is, you'll find it there. If not, then it hasn't been shared on the profile for you to view. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find what you were looking for on LinkedIn.